If you want to make your Mailchimp emails look cleaner, more professional, and easier to scan, adding section borders is a simple trick that makes a big difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add section borders in Mailchimp step by step, so you can style your email sections without getting lost in the editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp and email marketing tips. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. First, open the email editor for the campaign where you want to add the border. This is the main editing area where you build and customize your email content. Once you're inside the editor, find the section you want to style and click directly on that section. When you select the right block or content area, Mailchimp will open the design settings for that section on the side. Now look for the border option. This is where Mailchimp lets you control the outline around your section. Click on Border to expand the border settings. From here, you'll usually see options for the top, bottom, left, and right borders depending on the layout and section type. Start by clicking the Border Top dropdown if you want to customize the top edge first. Then choose the border style you want. You may see options like solid, dashed, or dotted. Pick the style that best fits your email design. If you want a clean and modern look, solid is usually the easiest choice. If you want something a little more subtle or decorative, you can experiment with the other styles. Next, adjust the width. The width controls how thick or thin the border appears. A small width gives you a light divider, while a larger width creates a more bold and noticeable border. Try different values until the section looks balanced with the rest of your email. After that, move to the border bottom drop-down menu if you also want to add or customize the bottom border. Just like the top border, choose the border style first, then adjust the width accordingly. This helps you create consistency, especially if you want the section to stand out from the content above and below it. If your design needs it, you can repeat the same process for the other sides as well. The idea is to make the section look intentional and polished, not crowded or too heavy. A well-placed border can improve readability, guide attention, and make your email look much more professional. Once you're happy with the border settings, take a final look at the section to make sure it matches your design. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to keep your changes. That's it. Your Mailchimp section border is now added and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Mailchimp walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.